Welcome to this Techbench on enhancing troubleshooting and maintenance planning efficiency using advanced service tools. Today we're demonstrating how the HMG 4000 can streamline your diagnostic process by quickly identifying issues and ensuring high-quality data collection where fast, accurate troubleshooting cuts downtime and optimises maintenance schedules. The HMG 4000 is an easy-to-use portable tool which can quickly connect to sensors, allowing technicians to quickly diagnose issues as well as record readings to compare system condition and efficiency over time. I've connected the HMG 4000 to sensors on a hydraulic system and can now access critical performance metrics such as pressure and flow, and interpret the data in real time. You can integrate this tool into your daily routines, making maintenance planning more predictive and less reactive. Remember, it's not just about the tool, it's about how you leverage the data to improve overall system reliability and efficiency. For more detailed insights on efficiency, check out the links in the description. For more hands-on insights into fluid technologies, stay tuned to HYDAC's Techbench series.